Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to Sube Cuisine and Lifestyle. If you're just stopping by for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider to click that subscribe button down below and also turn on the notification bell so when next I post a video, you'll be notified and you come watch it. And to my loyal subscribers who are always coming back to watch my videos, I truly appreciate your love and support. Today, what we'll be making is another salad called the chef salad and also an American salad dressing, the ranch dressing. So, as we go ahead, I'll be telling you the items we'll be adding. We're going to start first of all with our salad dressing. Here, I have measured out our sour cream, our mayonnaise, buttermilk, which we'll be using as well. So watch and I'll tell you as we go on. So for this ranch dressing, you should actually use dry herbs, but I do have chives, fresh chives in the kitchen, so I've decided to use that. So I'll just quickly chop that before adding all other ingredients. So for this ranch dressing, mayonnaise, sour cream, buttermilk is what I said will be used. But for the sour cream, if in your vicinity or in the stores around you, you can't find the sour cream, you can substitute it for plain yogurt. Plain yogurt. I think plain yogurt can be found everywhere in the stores. It can be easily found than the sour cream. Like in Nigeria, it's very difficult to find sour cream, and even when you do find it, it's quite expensive. So the best substitute for sour cream is our plain yogurt. And then we're going to also be using, so this is ready, this is chopped and ready. What we're going to just do now is to mix up everything and then mix together. So I'm going to put in sour cream, buttermilk, and mayonnaise. That's what I'm going to be adding in onto this bowl. Buttercream. The buttercream, if you can't find buttercream to buy, what you just need to do, like what I have in here is half cup of milk, and then out of the half cup I measured out a tablespoon of lemon. So you add up if you add a tablespoon of lemon to your normal milk, that gives you buttermilk. All you need to do is set it aside for like 5 minutes. So we'll just stir all of that together. Stir. Okay. So that is done. The next thing we are going to do is to put in our herbs. We're going to put in our herbs now. So we're measuring our herbs. I'm going to start with dill. Just a teaspoon. A teaspoon of dill. Dill is also very, very important for this recipe. A teaspoon. And our dry parsley. Same. A teaspoon of dry parsley. I love chives. Chives is in the family of onions. So, like your spring onions or your regular onions. So I like to have a lot of it inside. So what I'm putting in will give me about a tablespoon. I'll use all of that. So I'm going to just stir now. Guys, just look at the color. Beautiful. This is so beautiful and inviting to the eyes. So the next thing we are going to do now is to put in our onions and garlic powder. Onions powder just a little because we have the chives there. as well. So just I'm going to use 1/4 of the teaspoon, 1/4 of the teaspoon for the onions powder because of the chives. Yeah, because I increased the quantity of chives. I had like a tablespoon instead of a teaspoon. That's why I'm doing that. So next is our garlic. Our garlic, I'll be doing half a teaspoon of garlic. Our garlic powder. So the onions I use is also here, guys. Okay. And then of course our salt and pepper. What's a salad dressing without salt and pepper? Tell me, how will it taste? How will it taste? I can't imagine. So what we're going to add is just a little of it though. Pepper. I'm going to use half a teaspoon of pepper. That goes in. And then we're going to add our salt. I'm not doing half a teaspoon, I just want a little bit. So I'm using the smallest, that's 1/8 of my teaspoon. Just a pinch of salt. Alright guys, so the salad dressing is actually ready. Apart from even using it for salads, you can use it as a dip. Like when you have your fried chicken, your chips, it is very, very good. Very, very good. Okay guys, so now we're going to be prepping the ingredients for the chef salad. Here you can see I have ham, cherry tomatoes. In here I have radish and bell pepper. I want to use just half that. I have hard boiled egg, 1. Here carrots, cucumber, and my already prepped lettuce. Today I'm using mixed lettuce, the colored ones and the iceberg lettuce mixed together. And also here I have sheep cheese is what I'll be using. Sheep cheese. So we're just going to prep the. So the carrots is ready. I'm just going to pour it over. So next we are going to prep our radish. That aside. The last thing we are going to prep now is our tomatoes. Already I prepped this cheese. cut them into long strips the same way the arm is. That is going to be our topping. These three things will be our toppings. So the last we are prepping is our cherry tomatoes. Guys, just look at the color. Look at the colors. Beautiful and inviting. Yeah. So guys, we are done. This is our egg. I cut it into strips as well. This is our topping. Our arm. And our cheese. Sheep cheese. I love cheese, so I'm going to use all of it. All of it. Yeah.